This is Unstable Unicorns, a game for 2 to 8 players. The aim of the game is to have 7 unicorns in your stable. Let's get started. First, pick a baby unicorn. Which one's your favourite? I like the narwhal. Unicorn of the ocean. Place your chosen baby unicorn in your stable. The remaining babies go in the nursery in the middle of the table. Now deal 5 cards to each player and place the remaining cards in the centre of the table. There are different types of cards in this game. Let's see what they do. Baby unicorns. More of these can only enter your hand through special cards, such as the Mother Goose unicorn. Basic unicorns. All they do is add to the number of unicorns in your stable. Nothing else. They're just basic. Magical unicorns. These have an effect that can give you an advantage in the game, so make sure you read it carefully. Magic cards. These cards have a powerful one-time effect. If you play a magic card on your turn, immediately move it to the discard pile. Upgrade cards. These cards grant positive effects. You can play an upgrade card to anybody's stable. An upgrade card stays in a player's stable until it is sacrificed or destroyed. Downgrade cards. Exactly the same as upgrade cards, apart from they cause pain and misery to anybody that you put them on. Instant cards can be played at any point during the game. These are nay cards. Basically tell someone to stop doing that right now. But be warned, multiple nays can be stacked on top of each other. So you can nay a nay, but not a super nay. So you can nay that nay, but then you can nay that nay, but then you can nay that nay, but not the super nay. Get it? Good. Moving on. Alright, now that you know all the cards, what you'll do is you'll draw a card from the deck, add it to your hand, and then you'll play any of those cards either into your own stable or someone else's. However, if you didn't want to play a card, you can always just draw another card from the deck. At the end of your turn, discard any cards that take you over the hand limit of 7. Shed some of that weight. Looking at you, big boy. Discard it! And that's how you play Unstable Unicorns. Now go catch them all. That sounds familiar.